Hello, my name is Cassandra. I am a child of God, the wife of Edward, the sister to Yvette, Renee, and Lamont. I am an auntie of many and a friend of a few. I am proud to say that I am a proud graduate from the University of Laverne, class of 2020 quarantine. I was a little bummed that we did not have our commencement as scheduled in May, but I'm thankful that we will have a commencement once the pandemic is resolved or in control where we can be around each other. I am a huge fan of social distancing and wearing your mask. I unfortunately have respiratory issues, so I have blood drawn on a regular basis to make sure I am safe and that my body is getting healthy and that I will be able to go out and enjoy nature and being around people 6 feet apart. I've been on quarantine way before the pandemic started. I've been married 15 years, and my husband is in law enforcement. I have a niece who is in the Navy, and I have another niece who is in dental school. And I am proud to be a Black educated queen. I love fitness. I work out 60 to 90 minutes a day. My favorite thing to do is to read the Bible. And I love reading the Bible and studying the Bible and sharing the gospel with those that I encounter. I am from the state of Indiana, and I've been in California for 15 years. My husband is from Indiana, and he came out to California to pursue his acting career. I love California now. We did have a love hate relationship, but I do love living in California as of today's date. I would go back and visit Indiana, but I do not want to live there. I am a huge fan of college football. I do not have a favorite team. I love watching college football, so I can watch any team play. I am a fanatic of Scooby Doo and the Gang. I watch Scooby Doo every night. It helps to put me to sleep, and I love the cartoon. And I will be a junior high or high school biology teacher. I am loving the journey that I am on to be an educator, and I am looking forward to making a difference in every child's life that I will encounter in the classroom, teaching them biological science and sharing my love of that subject content. My husband and I are going through the adoption process, and we are hoping and praying for a baby boy. We would love up to 4 children or however many God blesses us with. I love to cook. I love being on Pinterest and finding different recipes and just ideas of how to play with food. I am a plant based eater. If food does not grow out of the ground, I don't eat it. I am a proud member of the lock movement. I wear my hair in small sister locks and I love it. And I believe all lives matter. I am an African American, and just like Black Lives Matter, I believe no matter what your skin tone or shade, that every life matters. And I look forward to going on this journey with you guys to complete our summer course. God bless.